High Voltage Electrical Safety. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. Our 6-hour instructor-led high-voltage electrical safety course is designed to teach your team how to recognize high-voltage hazards and apply proven protective practices. Students learn how to plan safe work practices and how to apply NFPA 70E and OSHA 1910.269 standards to real job sites. What you'll learn: students will learn how to identify high-voltage hazards, lockout, tagout, and switching and clearance around high-voltage systems. Learn proper high-voltage PPE use, live line tools, and substation safety, all aligned with NFPA 70E and OSHA 1910.269 standards. We deliver live interactive learning, real-world case studies, and interactive discussions. Our expert instructors teach high-voltage safety practices and proper decision-making in high-voltage environments. Who should attend? This course is designed for HV construction and maintenance personnel, utility workers, substation electricians, engineers, supervisors, and health and safety officers. This course comes with a high-voltage electrical safety training certificate, 0.6 CEU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page electrical safety handbook, and a $50 coupon toward future EFT training. Protect your workforce and strengthen compliance. Enroll your team today in EFTI's high-voltage safety training and build a safer, more resilient workplace.